Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, December 8th, 2015. The U.S. stock market is closed. I was really dead wrong as far as calling the Dow today. I called it up, but it did not go up. It ended up going down 162 points. But honestly, I'm kind of happy to be wrong because I kind of like what I see as a setup here. Given the fact that the Dow went down 162 points, we did pretty decently. We closed out negative $1,800 in our closeout trades. We're carrying over $3,000 in our open trade. So technically, it's my way of thinking, we made a little bit of money. We certainly at least broke even today. And I think that's good when the Dow falls over 150 points. What I'm pleased about here is, you can see here, the Dow really fell apart right on the initial bar, made a little bit lower down here, and then tried to rally, failed, and then kind of ended up in the middle here. But I see this as kind of tightening up and consolidating, and I really think this is just kind of like a spring tightening. This thing is getting ready to really take off to the top side, and it, unlike this big upside move we had back here 3 days ago, this time if this thing takes off, it's tightened up to the point where we're going to get into a lot of positions and make some money on it. So I'm pretty pleased, and that's what I see happening. So in spite of being wrong today, I'm going to call the Dow up again for tomorrow. Had some interesting trades. I'll show you the worst one first. Unfortunately, no, this wasn't the worst one. This is a good one. This is JDST, and I should mention that this is like a reverse in gold. It's like betting on gold going down in price, and henceforth I'm going to call it the gold bear stock. Now they call it mineral in the title of it, but it's basically gold. So we bought this thing, let's see, we bought this yesterday, we bought this yesterday down here on the pop, and then it really took off yesterday, pulled back. I complained about this big pullback at the end, but it popped up again very nicely for us this morning on the exit, and we ended up taking $3,000 out of the gold bear stock. So I'm very happy with that. Unfortunately, that wasn't the end of it, and we got into one, or not that we got into, but we closed out one very nasty position here. We got blindsided in Weight Watchers International. We had bought this thing yesterday nearly at the high of the day, and then it went against us pretty bad yesterday and then slammed us this morning. That cost us $4,000. So you know what we made in Gold Bear, $3,000, we gave back $4,000 in Weight Watchers International, and that's why we were negative on our closed out trades. We did have, I think we got into something like 8 positions or something today, quite a few, and but the majority of them are positive, and we had a couple good ones in there, and this is the best one. This is Bazoon, and we got into this, you know, with only 2 hours to go in the day. It just kept going very nicely, and ended up closing almost on its high up here. and we're holding about $1,400 in Bazoon, but this looks like really good. I mean, this could go a lot higher for our exit tomorrow. So overall, I'm pretty happy. For a day the Dow went down 162, it certainly was not a bad day for us. I'm hoping for some really good follow through tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.